how to add a payment method in Odoo. So first things first, you're gonna go ahead and sign up your account and go ahead to your website. So just choose the website option. So you're gonna go ahead and log in at least, and go ahead to your website. So once you have your apps and you're already logged in, you can go ahead to the website option app and go to your account over here that has a proper picture. If you start it should just be a letter. Down here you can find these my subscriptions option. Once you're here, you should go ahead to the pricing option, which is above, and you can go ahead and choose the option you want to purchase. So let's say I want the standard, so just press the buy now option. And finally, finalize with your decision, press on buy now. You'll be led to a place where you can choose your own payment method. So just continue with the delivery method and press confirm. And finally, your payment, which is you'll have to choose in which is more efficient and more comfortable for you. If you want card, PayPal, or a wire transfer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.